Daddy. Lucas. Hey. Lucas. Come on. Come and show him on the inside. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hi, Daddy. Can you say hi to Daddy? Lucas, look at Daddy right there.
Hey, buddy.
Lucas. He's gonna attack me. Come on. Lucas. Can I see it? I'll get it from in here. Lucas, come here. Lucas. Yeah, I hear you. Come here. Come here. Lucas.
Hey, go inside.
Hi, dear. Hi, baby. Lucas, what are you doing? He doesn't stay in here for very long.